Welcome back to the essence of yoga. In episode 1, we explored what yoga really means, and today, we're getting into the physical benefits of yoga. Spoiler alert, it's not just about flexibility. Yoga strengthens your body in a functional, balanced way. Think about it, poses like plank, chair, and warrior build endurance and engage muscles you don't use often. It's not about getting bulky. It's about building strong, lean, and supportive muscles. And yes, it improves flexibility. But what's even more important? It improves mobility, the way your body moves in real life. In today's screen-heavy world, most of us sit too much, slouched shoulders, tight hips, weak backs. Yoga gently reverses that. It brings awareness to your posture and teaches your body how to stand, sit, and move in alignment again. Back pain. Shoulder tension. Stiff neck. Yoga can help. Yoga also improves blood flow and stimulates your lymphatic system. That's key for immune health. And because it lowers stress hormones like cortisol, it supports your heart too. The breath work we do in yoga, called pranayama, can reduce blood pressure, improve lung capacity, and calm your entire nervous system. The beautiful thing is, yoga meets you where you are. Whether you're 15 or 75, it adapts to your body. You don't need to be fit or flexible to start, just curious and consistent. So if you're looking to feel stronger, move better, and take care of your body for the long term, yoga is one of the best tools out there. Next episode, we'll go deeper into the mental side of yoga, how it clears your mind and sharpens your focus. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. See you next time, and keep practicing.